Hey up everybody, I'm just going to try and get this board going. Probably can't see me yet. I'm back on a bit of fuel throat thing. I've got it tip thing. I've filled float bowl up. I've got a spark. I've just bit of temporary wire. I've got a switch on. That's my ignition. I don't know if you can see. I don't know how good you can see because I'm just guessing it. But if I remember right, this one's choke. I've got no throttle linkage on, so I'm on what old idle was. In fact, I ought to get a driver for that before I do all. I know you're. Well, you might see me flitting about, but I just thought you might. I mean, let's see what happens anyway. I mean, it's fully rebuilt engine. I'm strolling all over its usual quality video, but well, it's real. That's all it is. I know how you can hear me because I've got a microphone in. So let's see what's happening. Might just have to lift. I might just get a fire. It might not pump up to float, but I filled float ball up. These little Zenits, you can take the thing off. So, and obviously, I don't know with throttle yet. And that's your solenoid here. That pulls your starter. In 6 volt, just wire it up. Like I said, that's my ignition. So we're on that. That's off. That's on. I mean, I know it's upside down, whatever you see, but I've got it. Its float ball's full. Let's see, we might just get a fire, whatever. Might be a bit of something for you to see, but you don't. I mean, these are all a bit Eve Robinson, but well, they're alright. They're how they would have been. So let's just see what happens. We'll give her some choke and see if she tries. Just trying. Starter's getting a bit warm. She's might be a bit out of time, but we will see. But I could do it somebody else here, to be honest, but I'm on my own. But Derry want to come on, one of my mates, and so much flapping about. We'll see. Let's see what's going on. We're trying. I can hear starter trying to disengage, so there again. I felt float ball, like I said, so but I don't know if we've lost it or what's happened, so you're not far off good. I'm sure this is choke. I can smell her trying to start. She's trying to go. Starter's not hot yet. We're only a little 6 volt battery, as you can all see, so I'm sure this is choke. I'm positive it is. I just probably can't get the sweet spot. That's probably what it is. Just get a bit more. Let's get. Trying. Tell you what, we'll try a bit of. I'll get a touch of brake cleaner there, see if she can. I can hear starter clanking in and out a bit, so. Just get a little sniff. She's going to go, obviously. It might just be a touch out of time. But you can all see what it's like, real, in a workshop. I don't want to deal. Let's see what happens. Well, we might not like that, to be honest. Didn't start to function, but I don't bend it, so something going off. Ooh. He's trying. Come on, girl. Here we go. She's on it now. She was trying then. She probably just lost it. I don't know how good fuel pump is. I've vacuumed it through, but I'm just trying to get a fly on wall view of what goes off, what you have to put up with. Well, yeah, as you can see, so she may go. I mean, well, you just heard her, she just ran, so she's gonna go. I might just have to tweak timing a bit, but she's gonna start. This time, come on, girl. After I cool down, so I'll probably tweak timing a bit, have a look, see what we need. Probably an ½ inch, so there you have it. Anyway, give a like, me messing about. You've seen it's going to go, and I mean, I'll get it going for you. I'll have to have a few times, but I don't want to start on a little 6-box, you get a bit wild. So subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this, and pass a comment and gladly give you one. There you go. So that's my effort at getting Anglia alive, but it'll be going next video I do for you. Catch you all later, bye for now.